Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Konggel Sangma habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor mentak sengi kalai potrik ujelle ulaong hagabe dei bat ke Jingiehnoh kam jong Menteri Rangba Kejela Manipur hadu menta udang yo jingtip tang lengba ki khubor ki bala sapriang ba Biren Singh Jingïakynduh ye kalat Kejela Manipur ka anu suya uiki haga Jakarta kam jongka bat ki Jingiehnoh ki bami ne ka Jingïakynduh ansala bantim Hadien jong ka Jingielang ula benrap ruda ka ong baga jinglong jingman hapo Kejela Manipur kalong kebamti kena bat kaba bana kaliang ke sarkar India kan haban pej bat bishar banya bat ban shim de kino kilinti bat kirai ki ban shim de ke sarkar India kermen bakin long ki badan jingta an kebenta ki breu Kejela Manipur ha ka ban la ban wanra abyang ye ke songsuk songsan hapo Kejela namar kumbala yo i babun ki bala syakta na ke Jingïakynduh hapo Manipur la benrap u Conrad.
We don't know about that. I am only going by the reports in the news that the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Mr. Biren Singh, he will be meeting the Honorable Governor of Manipur. That's the only input that I have as of now. What the purpose of that visit or that meeting will be will only be clear once the meeting gets over. So let's wait and see. I'm told the meeting is at 3 o'clock. The situation in Manipur is very, very complicated. And there are many factors that are there. And hence, the government of India will have to really examine all options, is what I would like to say, and act accordingly. So every decision will have its own repercussions and its own impact. And hence, how you would further then handle the situation of that particular decision is something that has to be seen holistically. And hence, it will be very complicated to say something saying that this action should be taken, because whoever, by that I mean the government of India, that whatever decisions they take, they have to realize every decision has got its ramifications, and hence it has to be done in a very balanced manner. They have to be ready for the repercussions of any decision. But having said that, we as a party would want the government of India to examine all possible aspects of the constitutional provisions, because at the end of the day, as a political party, we want peace and harmony to be there. We want things back to normalcy, and people of Manipur are suffering, whichever community they belong to. The common people have started suffering, and there's a humanitarian kind of a crisis right now there, and something needs to be done to really cool down the situation and bring things back.